You can also create points at intervals. The create point at interval command is on the CAD tab, and it's the command here called create at intervals. And what this allows you to do is either select a line string or a CAD polyline and set points at a specified interval along that line. Or you can select 2 points, basically picking a starting point and ending point. So if I use this selection command here and select this line string, and I want to set points, say every 50 feet or every 25 feet along that line, then I can put in my interval here, let's say a 25 with a starting point number, and I can set it on a layer, and I can also put a feature code to it. I can tell it what type of points, so I can either create grid points, or I could come in and put control points, mapping points, or unknown. So I'm just going to create grid points in this case. You can also put an offset, or basically or horizontal or vertical. So if I wanted to set a point 5 foot to the left off this line, I would put a negative value, and if I want to go to the right, I would put a positive value. So I'm just going to go ahead and set them along this line at 0 offset, and we'll click apply, and you'll see that it creates a point along that line at a specified interval of 25 feet, or units, and basically but 25 feet in this case.